Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share a video using Telegram chat. So once you're inside Telegram, guys, you open up the chat to the person that you want to share the video to, then click the file and the file icon in the lower right hand side, and from here you want to find the video that you want to share. Now I'm going to simply choose one of these videos. So I'm going to tap on that, click and send, or click and share, and it's going to load and share this video with that person. And that's all there is to it. Depending on the size of the video, you might want to allow it some time to load up into it. As you can see, it's currently loaded. But once this is completed, you will see that the video is actually sent, and it will go there and it will show a check mark to show that the video has uploaded and sent to this person. You can track how far this upload reached. If you look towards the top of the video, while it is currently being uploaded in the Telegram chat, you can see that the megabytes is actually loading up. And once that is done, you will see it. If you look to the upper left hand side of my screen, you can see that it's currently uploading as well. And that's how you know that it's currently working and it's currently being uploaded to that chat on Telegram. And that's it, guys.